The ultrasonic humidifier Swiss U7146 provides humidification of the air in the room and is the ideal travel companion. It is especially distinguished by the following features: an adapter for worldwide usage, compact, convenient size, extremely quiet, very low power consumption, automatic power off when the water level is too low. The water is transformed into a microfine mist by means of high-frequency vibration and released into the air of the room. This kind of humidification is extremely quiet and yet very efficient. The U7146 comes with a lot of handy accessories such as travel bag or a cleaning brush. Moreover, the travel air humidifier is available in many colors. A commercial quality 0.5 liter plastic bottle with still water serves as a water tank. Simply attach the adapter to the bottle. Open the fold-out feet. Extend the nozzle until it locks. And insert the bottle into the base. The supplied power plugs and the adapter allow for a worldwide usage. The U7146 has a variable output control. If the water level is too low, the unit will power off automatically and the illumination changes to red. To clean the unit, we recommend to exclusively use Calc Off, which is especially composed for air humidifiers. Mix the decalcifying agent Calc Off with clean and hot water. Clean the interior using the mixture and the supplied cleaning brush. Rinse the individual parts with clear water. However, do not spill water onto the electronic part of the appliance. For all visible surfaces, a microfiber cloth is most suitable. After reassembly, a new water bottle can be attached to the travel humidifier. Swiss U7146, improving your quality of life.